In 5.2, we're going to look at linear functions and patterns. A linear function always graphs to a line. We did lines in chapter 2, so this is going to be review. It just might look a little bit different than how we did it before. Okay, so for example, 1.8 says find the pattern and fill in the missing values in the table. So I'm going to look at the y column to see at what rate they are increasing. If I go from 5 to 8, it's going up 3. 8 to 11 is going up 3. So if I went up 3 more and followed the pattern, this should be a 14. Now I'm going to check the x column and see if there's a linear pattern there. From 4 to 2, I'm decreasing or going down 2. 2 to 0, I'm going down 2. If I go down 2 more from 0, I'm going to end up at -2. So by filling in the blank, I got -214. The slope is the rate of change. It's always the change in y over the change in x, just like we did before. So in this case, the change in the y column is 3. The change in the x column is -2. And the negative could be on the denominator, numerator, or in the middle, and it all means the same. Next is the y-intercept, if you remember from chapter 2. If you want to find the y-intercept, you want the x to equal 0. So I know it's going to be 0, comma, something. Now, if I look at the table, they often give you the information. So this is x is 4. No, x is 2. Right here it says x is 0. When x is 0, y is 11. So the y-intercept is 0, comma, 11. Okay, if I'm going to write the equation of the line represented by the table in slope-intercept form, it's going to be y equals mx. The m is the slope, plus the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 11, so that's the equation of my line. Okay, we're going to do one more example of it, and then you'll do the practice on your own. Okay, so first I'm going to find the pattern. It's a linear pattern because that's what we're learning. Okay, if I go from -12 to -7, I'm actually going higher on the number line. I'm going up 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, up 5 units. From -7 to -2, I'm going to the right. I'm going up 5. -2 to 3, I'm going up 5, and if I go up 5 more, I'm going to end up at 8. Let me check the pattern on the x column. From -8 to -4, -8 to -4 on the number line, I'm going to the right, so I'm going in the positive direction. So I'm going to go up 4 units. -4 to 0, I'm going up 4 more units. I'm going to keep going up 4 units, and if I go up 4 more units, I'm going to end up at 8. So the missing value is 8, 8 on the table. The slope is the change in y over the change in x. The y-intercept is always 0, comma, and if I look at the table, this is x is -8, x is -4. Here's x is 0. When x is 0, y is -2. And I'm going to write my equation in slope-intercept form. So it's y equals m. M is the slope. M x plus b. My y-intercept is -2, so I'll put a -2 at the end. Okay, go ahead and figure out the practice problems and then check your answers with the solutions posted on the calendar.